Hi, I'm George Faison. I'm the Chief Operating Officer, otherwise known as the Chief Operating Gobbler of the Great American Turkey Company. Along with my partner, Kirk Posventura, we came up with an idea to take advantage and to assist a segment of the agricultural community, the turkey farmers, who aren't getting their fair share of respect. We eat them once a year, and that's about 50% of production, and the rest of the year people forget about it. And so our goal was, can we do something to help the turkey farmers and maybe help the consumers to have another option for their poultry needs than chicken? And chicken seems to be the juggernaut, but the turkey is an extraordinary meat, very high in protein, very low in fat, and yet really amenable to a host of different flavors and ethnic cuisines, which is what we've done. The key has been to make the turkey accessible to the home cook on a day-to-day basis rather than this big 20-pound bird once a year. So what we've done is we've taken the breast meat, which is about 60% of the bird, and created cutlets and also created stir-fry strips. The cutlets are a great grill item. They can be a red meat replacement. They can also be sauteed or broiled. They cook very quickly. And the stir-fry strips are beautiful. They're evenly cut stir-fry strips. They can be added to pastas, to stir-fry vegetable dishes, to salads or even wraps. They cook very quickly. They're a great day-to-day item. Both of the breast items, the cutlets and the strips, are pre-marinated, and our marinades are clean. We only use sunflower oil or olive oil and spices and herbs. No phosphates, no water, a really simple marinade with a lot of integrity that we vacuum tumble, so that infuses the marinade into the meat, creating a really rich flavor. You can take it right out of the package and put it in the pan or put it on the grill. So these are real simple to use items. The dark meat we use to make the sausages, and we believe in doing our sausages, in fact all of our products, as raw items so that they're raw, fresh, and ready to cook. A lot of pre-cooked products that you find out there, especially in the poultry sausage area, I find they taste like yesterday's leftovers, and by giving you a raw sausage, you cook it the first time, it tastes wonderful. And so we do some of the basic flavors that people are familiar and comfortable with, like sweet and hot Italian or apple maple. But we also have a lot of fun, innovative flavors like smoked mozzarella with broccoli rabe and sun-dried tomatoes. And we do a smoky and sweet chili, which are ancho and chipotle chilies with dried cherries and raisins. So a great plethora for the adventurous and for the not so adventurous, but again, an excellent eating experience.